Greetings friends, it's me, Miss Hannah. Today we are going to be doing some baking. We are going to make a currant bun mug cake. First, you need to wash your hands really well. Wash them for at least 20 seconds and in between all of your fingers, making sure there's no dirt or germs on your hands. Okay, are we ready to go? You will need self-raising flour, sugar, ground cinnamon, 1 egg, milk, oil, and currants. You will also need a big spoon and a little spoon, and last but not least, a big mug. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to add 4 tablespoons, that's a big spoon, of flour to your mug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Next, you'll be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar to your mug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And lastly, we are going to add half a teaspoon, that's the little spoon, of ground cinnamon to our mixture. About that much. Fantastic. Next, we're going to stir all the dry ingredients together to get them mixed together well and everything well distributed. Okay, it should now look like this. Great, now let's move on to the wet ingredients. You're going to get your egg and carefully crack the egg on the side of your mug. You can then separate it and mix it in. You may need to ask an adult to help you with this one because breaking eggs can sometimes be tricky. Remember, you don't want to get any of the shell in your cake because it won't taste very nice. Great. Let's just get that mixture off the spoon because I'll need to use it again to measure the milk. So we need 3 tablespoons of milk, 1, 2, 3, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm using olive oil here, but you can use sunflower oil or vegetable oil or any oil that you would like. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to give it a big mix together. Make sure that there are no lumps and everything is well distributed. Last but not least, I am going to add my raisins. So I am adding 2 tablespoons of raisins to my mixture. And I'm going to give it one final mix. Your mixture should now be looking like this. Okay, now let's get ready to cook our cake. Next, you need to put your mug into the centre of a microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes until the cake is firm to touch and it has stopped rising. Okay, let's go. Great, it sounds like my cake has now cooked. Now I'm going to leave it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. It is going to be very, very hot and it is not safe to touch it right now. When it has cooled down properly, we will look at decorating it. My cake is now cool and it smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it, but first we must decorate it. For this, I have made some runny icing by incorporating icing sugar and water. And I've got some gold balls to put on the top as well. First, I'm going to use a teaspoon to spoon on some icing. Oh, look at it on the top. Wow. I just love how icing runs down cake. It reminds me of slime. There we go. Now this icing will work as glue for the gold balls that I have. I'll start with a few at a time and I am going to sprinkle them on top. Perfect. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. And there you have it, your finished Currant Bun Mug Cake. This reminds me of a song. Come and join me. I hope you join in with me. 5 currant buns in the baker's shop, round and fat with sprinkles on the top. Along came a pirate with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. 4 currant buns in the baker's shop, round and fat with sprinkles on the top. Along came a lady with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. 3 currant buns in the baker's shop, round and fat with sprinkles on the top. Along came a gardener with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. 2 currant buns in the baker's shop, round and fat with sprinkles on the top. Along came a granny with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. One currant bun in the baker's shop, round and fat with sprinkles on the top. Along came Mr. Tom with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. Bought a currant bun and took it away. Well done, you were brilliant. Why not try to make your own currant bun cake? You can ask your parents to take a photograph of it and get them to send me a picture via my Instagram. I love to see your pictures. Join me again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.